Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool washer console clip. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new console clip. The console clip locks the console onto the cabinet. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the console is loose. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the machine. Now that we're on back, we can take off the console panel, but first we have to remove this small panel because it overlaps the console panel. We're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to take out all the screws. Once you have the screw off the small panel, you can rotate it over and pull the tabs out and set it aside. Once you have all the screws out, you can take the console panel and lift it past the fill hoses. There's a console clip located on each end of the console. They're both changed out the same way. We're going to use a putty knife to release the clips. We're just going to carefully stick them between the console and the top of the washer. You want to be careful you don't scratch it. If you have to, you can go in behind and make sure you're hitting the clip. Once you have it pressed in, you can lift up on this side of the console so it releases. And then we can go do the one on the other side. Once you have the clips released, you may have to tap the console forward to release the rear tab. And then you can rotate the console over so we can change the console clip. To get the console clip off, we're going to compress it with the pliers. And you want to make sure you pull the bottom out first. That tab is shorter and it'll make it easier coming off the console. Once you have it off, you can pull it off the machine. Here's the old console clip next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new console clip in, we're going to line it up so the long tab is on the top and compress it with the pliers. Once you have it compressed, we're going to put it into the console and you can release it so it locks in place. Now that we have the console clip installed, we can flip the console over. You want to make sure that these locking tabs go into the back hole right here as you rotate it over. Once you have them in, you can push down on the console and lock each clip in. Once you have it locked in place, we can go around back and put the console panel on. To put the panel back on, we're going to carefully lift it up over the fill hoses. Once you have it in place, we can grab our 1/4-inch nut driver and put the screws in. To put the small access panel back on, we're just going to line up the tabs and push them in. And you can swing the panel over and put the screw in. Now that we have the washer put back together, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.